How to add another account on Reddit application. Are you guys facing issues to add another account on your Reddit application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Reddit on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open that, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Now tap on the menu icon. Once you click on it, look at the last option, add account. Tap on it. In order to add an account, you need to create an account first. If you don't know how to create an account on Reddit, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you create the account, now select the account that you have created on. If you have created your account with Apple ID, then tap on continue with Apple. Now verify your face. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add another account on Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.